bánh mì lát với thịt heo.
Ngoài bánh mì trứng này.
Bánh mì trứng hả? Ok. Ngoại ăn bánh mì trứng ha.
Kombucha too? I'm gonna get a salt coffee. Ooh, egg coffee.
Egg coffee's
Time to do it.
That's their specialty in Hanoi.
Time to do it. All right. This is the famous egg coffee. They put an egg yolk and whip it. That's the creamer they use instead of actual cream. You know, crazy. Let's give it a try. Yeah, come on. Okay. Let's give it a try. It's pretty good. That's actually really good. It's like surprising. All right, we finished with breakfast. Very nice breakfast. That coffee was pretty fire. Very interesting. Very creamy for not having cream. But I'd rate it 9 out of 10. Fire. Very balanced. But now we're going to the same place I went earlier. We said show grandma the jewel since she is Buddhist. I think she'd enjoy it. So yeah, we're gonna go take her there. Gorgeous. Let's move. So I got my ticket in hand. Look at this ticket. So we're gonna give it to the security guard right there in the front. Dang, I should have went earlier. I was hella busy. But it's okay. Wow. It's very gorgeous. Come on. Wow. This bridge. I'm just gonna go ahead and shut up and just take in. Did y'all see the views? One last thing, that must be the turtle that everyone speaks about. The one and only. It's like the Kung Fu Panda turtle. Now notice a picture of that turtle. The turtle we've been talking about. full circle. Talked about it, saw some statues of it, and saw a picture of it. Cool. Deuces. This guy lived from 1974 to 1028. Isn't that crazy? Got the incense. See him burn it. Very cool. Phô mai.
Bánh bao phô mai hả? Bánh bao bò. Phô mai.
I mean, let's check it out. No, you get a one, I guess.
Gà nước. Ok. Dạ cho một cái bánh bao gà là bánh bao bò. Dạ. Có thể cho em một chút để em không đóng lại được không ạ? Dạ, dạ được. Và gà. Dạ. Cái này phô mai gì? Gà bò.
I can't tell. Good though. Ball.
I think it's ball. Wow, it's pretty good. It's a little sweet though.
Pretty good. I'll say. Well, actually, what do you rate?
I think
Mm-hmm.
7.5. It's good, but it's not soft.
I'll give it an 8, but I think it's because we didn't get it here fresh. Off the rip.
I told you. Target, dude.
Đồng năm đấy mà bọn em không nói mà không ai biết đâu mà.
Dạ, biết.
Nếu mà bọn em mà nói tiếng Anh là khỏi biết luôn.
Dạ.
I look like what?
Như là nước ngoài.
Why?
Giống lắm, giống người nước ngoài lắm. Cả hai đứa luôn chứ không phải là
Hai đứa. Me too. Not just you.
Why? Everyone wears spaghetti hats.
Huh?
Everyone wears them. Let's head in. So, where are we at? Oh,
Chợ Đồng Xuân.
okay, let's go check it out. Let me take out my sunglasses, man. Yeah, I'll see. Types of stuff. You do have fake stuff. Wow. Yeah, pretty cool. That Grab driver. He's like, I can just tell you're not from here, bro, because like, I don't know what he said. Couldn't understand him. His Vietnamese was just so thick like molasses.
Hả? Dạ.
Oh my god, I don't know. What you do?
Dạ mấy ngàn vậy? Mấy ngàn? Tiền mấy bạn?
This one seems heavy though.
Dạ cái đó nó nặng á.
Cái nào oh, không cần một cá thôi. Không cần một set. Oh yeah, it is pretty light.
Is it lighter? Does it feel better? Damn, wheels are really smooth. You want to test the other one? See if the other one's better. Claws.
I got me new luggage, yo. Hopefully this holds up better than the one I have. Well, the other one I have is already broken. So 800 thou. I think that's like $32 for luggage. Come on now, dog. Can you get better than that? Which one is it? This one?
Yeah.
This is the one that Anthony Bourdain and Obama ate at? Obama.
This has a
Anthony Bourdain and Obama.
wow.
Yes, we can. Is that what he says? Yes, we can.
I don't remember. I was like 8 at the time.
Combo Obama.
Dạ bây giờ cho một cái bún chả đặc biệt nha. Một cái
I need to know where he was.
Cheers.
Cheese to Obama. And Anthony Bourdain. Rest in peace. What a man.
It's true. Alright, so far. That's what I got. Boom, and some vegetables. I got the combo Obama. Yes, sir. Way to capitalize on that mess. It comes with a special blue chow and a fried seafood roll. I don't know if that's a tail, but I'll do that right. Thank you, sir. Take care. Dude. Come on. I think that's it. Camera eats first. Check out the ball. Let's build it.
I never eaten that before. Huh?
God bless Obama. Look at Anthony Bourdain. Level one. Michelle. Give us a try, fellas. So you put this in here. Mix it in a little bit. A little bit of food inside. Yes, sir. This chicken soup. The broth. Let's give it a try.
Ngon chậm thôi, không ngon. Hả? Mấy anh là
Damn.
I thought it would be overrated.
It looks pretty good. Despite the meat being in the water and the broth, these still taste like the char. The char is in it. It tastes like coffee. Grandma says it's too sweet. I think it's pretty good.
Chưa mới tới.
I like it though. Pretty good. I would rate this a 9 out of 10.
Hả?
We can go up these 9 out of 10.
Nó bánh của mình đâu phải đem xuống là bánh luôn đó.
I just finished with the bún chả that Anthony Bourdain and Obama went to. It was pretty good. I give it an 8.5. I would have given it a 9, but I felt like I couldn't drink the soup by itself. It was really sweet. It was so sweet that Grandma didn't even eat it. She gave it to me, and I killed it still. But yeah, it was a little sweet. Couldn't finish the broth by itself, which is odd. I do like it at the other restaurant where they kind of give you the ching, or the bowl of like fish sauce, and then what am I drawing? McMum. All right. Another day of rain in Hanoi. Surprise, surprise. Am I sweating or is it wet outside? Can't even tell no more. But we're gonna go get some more food with Michelle's family. We ate at the Obama bún chả place earlier. Decent. So I don't know where we're going now. Actually, let me just go ahead and ask the missus. Hey Michelle.
Huh?
Where are we going?
I don't know where we're going now.
Oh,
I think we're gonna eat some pho.
missus don't even know either. This is where we're eating at. Try some pho. Check this out. Check this out.
Bạn nhìn rác. Cảm ơn.
Không, bà muốn cái dây nữa.
There's an hour and 20 minutes for massage.
Nào, mang thần lại đi nào.
Peanuts. Dude, actually, now we have to try one of these.
Really?
That's crazy. The Eiffel Tower.
So nice.
Dude, Eiffel Tower, flower blossom.
You didn't see that.
Crazy. Hold on.
I see it. Oh wow.
Come on. It's okay.
What's 7 Heaven? A combination of 7 different flavors?
Dude, this one looks fire. Matcha shrimp.
Stop. Watashi wa stop.
What? The royal fondue?
What do you want to get? Whoa.
It's kind of hard. I didn't know the menus would be like this.
I didn't either. I thought it was just going to be simple. I don't even know if there's a sit-in. So we got hot chocolate on the sides of the cup. Like you can turn it around like that. Okay. The chocolate from.
Get it. Get it. Any of them? Alright, so we just finished that Häagen-Dazs. That was pretty fire. Huh?
Huh?
The Häagen-Dazs was pretty good?
Dude, yeah, it wasn't sweet. Usually it's supposed to be like super sweet, but this was not sweet and I actually was able to finish it. Because usually whenever it's that big, I'm not able to finish it. But I was able to finish it.
It was pretty good. Now we're off to the Hanoi train. The one that goes down the middle of all that coffee shops. So we're gonna grab a right now and then look it straight there. Get some cool shots of us walking. Oh, a Raptor! Oh my, a Ford Raptor!
Where's it?
They passed by. But yeah, gonna get some cool shots of us walking on the railroad. That'd be sick. And then we'll head home, pack, and get ready for the night. Alright, so we'll catch you at the railroad. Deuces.
Okay, so recap of the train road. What do you think?
That was pretty crazy. It got closer than I thought. They're like putting up tables, and I don't know why they didn't put up our table, but she was like, y'all good, and then I think got real close. I almost lost my camera low-key.
Dude, it went so much quicker than I thought too. Like it was going by really, really like close to us, but it went by so quick, like crazy quick, dude. I felt like so much wind, and I could hear just like people just like gasping, and like because they're just so shocked. I feel like I'm in shock right now.
Everyone cheering on after.
Dude, yeah.
like they're in a Vietnamese Olympics or something.
Dude, I got it on video of the aftermath. Everyone went, oh! Dude, it was so crazy. It was honestly the highlight. It was awesome. It was pretty cool. It was pretty awesome. Once in a lifetime, truly awesome. Truly. Yeah. What would you rate it out of 10, the experience?
I want that's a See, I don't know if I would ever come back and do it again.
Yeah, I wouldn't come back and do it again, but it was
in Hanoi. That is definitely a 10 out of 10. Gotta do it.
for sure. I feel like there's like a lot of tourist traps where it's like, oh, like, you know, it's very commercialized, very like takes away from the culture. But this one, dude, I just feel like it's just something you have to do.
I can understand the hype.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. It's not overrated. Like, it's not overrated whatsoever. I understand why it's so popular. And honestly, it doesn't cost that much. Like, you just have to sit, like, buy like a, what, $2 drink at most?
You didn't have to buy like too much. You only had to buy one.
Yeah, and then you're good to go. Like, it's super nice. And then everyone's like all there for the same reason, so everyone's cheering. So it's like even more fun. Everyone's cheering for a train, like, because nobody got killed. It was just
imagine how badass the driver feels on that train.
I know.
Everyone's just so happy to see you.
I know. He's like, that's why I feel like whenever he's going through, like,
The conductor is like,
yeah, he's like, yeah, keep cheering for me.
here I come.
It was pretty awesome. 10 out of 10. I would definitely recommend. Okay.
Deuces.
Oh, what the? Hey!
Check it out. Living wild. Oh, it's a low. Hey, Michelle. Oh.
Now you go in the middle and I drive around you.
Yeah.